Hello Earthlings, this is Alim and welcome to my channel. This is officially my first YouTube video and this one's for all the international students that are planning to move to Canada. I know how overwhelming it can be to prepare for such a big journey, so I have compiled a comprehensive packing list based on real life experiences and recommendations. It's gonna help you out for your smooth transition. So let's get started. First things first, clothing. Canada has four distinct seasons, so make sure you pack accordingly. Number one on the list is winter jackets. Keep in mind if you are coming during the winter semester, get your heavy jacket that can at least handle minus 20 degrees Celsius from your country of departure. If you are coming from Bangladesh, you can get these jackets from Mostofa Mart, Nurjan Market, or Bongo Bazaar. I did most of my winter shopping from Bongo Bazaar, but sadly, I don't think that's an option anymore. And if you're not coming to Canada during winter, please resist the temptation to buy a winter jacket because ultimately, when you come over here, you have to buy a new one. So, depending on the time of year when you are coming, make this decision. Now, to keep your daily wear fresh, bring along a couple of solid black and white t shirts. You can't go wrong with this. And, folks, if you're planning to work part time over here in Canada, a lot of places require you to wear a solid black jeans and a solid black t shirt. Let's not forget the foundation of every great outfit, underwears. Pack as much as you can. You can never have too many fresh pairs. Next up on our list is hoodies and sweatshirts. They will be your best friends when the temperature drops and you want to stay cozy and warm. Trust me, there isn't a single season here in Canada where you wouldn't need hoodies or sweatshirts, so make sure you pack them. Speaking of staying warm, don't forget to pack a thermal top, a thermal bottom, ear covering winter caps, a scarf, winter gloves. You're gonna thank me later when those frosty Canadian winter hits. Next up is socks. Make sure you pack 3 to 4 pairs of woolen socks for the freezing winter days. And along with that, bring a couple of ankle socks for your regular use and one pair of formal socks because you never know when you're gonna need a pair of formal socks for that formal event. Moving down the list, we have a belt, a simple yet important accessory to tie your whole outfit together. So don't forget your belt. If possible, bring one set of traditional wear like a Punjabi, shari, or kameez. It's gonna help you out during festivals like Eid or attending Desi dawats. Apart from that, bring your favorite clothes, clothes that you feel confident in. Bring some clothes that resonates with you and your culture. It's a fantastic way to express your uniqueness and share your culture with others. And last but not the least, bring your comfy clothes like your joggers, your pajamas, or your t shirts, whatever floats your boat, whatever makes you feel snug like a bug in a rug. Because when you're home, no matter it's winter or summer, you are gonna spend most of your time wearing these. So pack your most comfortable pajamas and t-shirts. And with that, we're done with our clothing segment. For footwears, first and foremost, get your most comfortable shoes to walk in because after you come here, you have to walk miles in your shoes. So pack your most comfortable shoes. Next up, get a slider or a crop so you can wear them around the house with your socks on, and it's really helpful during the winter seasons. Also, get a pair of sandals to go with your traditional wears. Now, lastly, if and only if you're coming here during the winter season, then maybe get a winter boot from Bangladesh because that's not gonna help much during the Canadian winters over here. You have to ultimately buy another one. So if you're not coming here during the winter season, refrain yourself from buying any winter boots from Bangladesh. Come here and get a nice winter boot from Roots or Hudson's Bay. Bring 2 to 4 pairs of glasses because it's a hassle to get new glasses in a foreign country. And just like rules, glasses are meant to be broken. So it's always good to pack. Let's talk about watches. Do not buy watches. Just put a new batteries on them and you're golden. You're gonna get way better deals over here. In case of electronics, if you're planning to buy a new phone or maybe a laptop, don't. You are gonna get way better deals over here. It's gonna be economical and you're gonna get better customer service. So, what electronics do I recommend? First and foremost, get 2 to 1 universal adapters. Without this, you won't be able to use any of the devices that you bring back from Bangladesh. So don't forget to bring universal adapters. Second of all, your phones, your chargers, your laptop, your multi plugs, and your power bank. One thing you should keep in mind about power banks that it should not be over 25,000 milliamperes because most of the airports out there they don't accept power banks that are 25,000 ampere. So for me, I usually use the Basis 100 watt Blade. I think this is the model called Blade power bank, and this is one of the power banks with the highest capacity and that are allowed in an airplane. So that would be my recommendation for electronics that you have to pack. And remember, you have to carry all your electronics either in your backpack or your carry-on. Now let's move on to toiletries and grooming kits. Bring your lotion, your Vaseline, your perfume, shampoo, soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, face wash, and a comb. But get them in a travel size or a small size package. I also recommend bringing a portable bidet, as well as a loofah, a hair trimmer, and a nail clipper. As a student, stationery is essential. Don't forget to pack your scientific calculator, a pouch for pens, pencils, erasers, and a scale. Also, bring 1 or 2 copies and 5 to 7 file folders so you can keep your documents and study materials organized. You need some kitchen essentials. Pack a hand pull string chopper. These things saves tons of time and are extremely cheap. You can find these at Daraz, and apart from them, get a microwave safe plate and a mug, a fry pan, a saucepan, cutleries, a knife, and a spatula. Don't bring things like a pressure cooker or a rice cooker. It takes tons of space in your limited luggage allowance, and the opportunity cost isn't worth it. You can get those over here, and the price is pretty much the same as Bangladesh. Coming up next is bedding. Get a queen size bedsheet with pillow covers, get a blanket, and if possible, get both a pillow and a cool valise. Now, if you have limited luggage allowance, of course we all do, but if you don't have enough space for both of them, I'd suggest you get the cool valise over here because cool valise over here is very hard to come by. You can find vacuum sealed cold valise if you look around. Your health is essential. No one's coming to take care of you if you fall sick over here. So make sure to pack your medicines with a prescription from your doctor for flu, cold, food poisoning, headaches, body pain, and constipation. First aid kit is also essential in any case of emergencies. Apart from this, if you need any special medicines, of course, get those. For bags, of course, get the biggest bag that your airline allows. I got a President trolley like the one shown in the picture. You can opt for hard shell bags, and those are actually lighter in weight. A piece of advice: unlike most President outlets out there who offers fixed prices, you can go to Boshundara City fourth or fifth floor. Sorry, I don't remember the exact floor. You can get cheaper prices over there if you bargain. So keep that in mind. And also get a very good backpack. This is a very important segment of the video. Don't forget about taking a copy of every important documents that you have submitted during your visa application. Take your passport, take your driving license, and if you can also get an international driving license. If you want to know how to get an international driving license from Bangladesh, I can make a different video about that. Keep your important documents safe and accessible, which means keep this file of your documents either on your backpack or on your carry-on luggage. This segment is about things that you're gonna hardly gonna need. But the day you need this, you're gonna be thankful that you had them. What are those? A basic sewing kit, a basic screwdriver set, and a plier. For religious item, you can pack a lightweight synonyms. I don't think this even weighs 80 or 90 grams. You can get a tupi and the Holy Quran. I got everything from Baitul Mukarram, and if you're not able to carry a physical copy of the Holy Quran, you can always download the PDF. And people from other religions, you can pack accordingly. This is where I see people overpacking a lot of dry foods. I would only suggest getting food items that are gonna support you for your initial few meals. Don't overpack your food items, rather bring more clothes in that space. My recommendations would be instant ramens, instant soup, and some desi spices in small packages. That's it for my comprehensive packing list. Remember, being well prepared always makes the transitions easier and smoother. Feel free to add your personal items based on your preference and so that serves your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. If you have any suggestions or any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Till then, good luck with your journey and see you in Canada. Goodbye.